Hello, I'm Aiden, and welcome to ViPR Publishing. On this channel, we talk about AI in everyday life. Not the hype, not the fear, but what it actually means for real people and real work. And right now, a lot of people are asking the same question. Is AI about to take my job? It's a fair question. The headlines make it sound like everything is changing overnight. So let's slow this down and talk about what's really happening in the job market. Because the truth is more complicated and more hopeful than it first appears. Here's one data point that matters. Job postings that mention AI skills are up more than 130% compared to before the pandemic, even while overall hiring has stayed fairly flat. That tells us something important. Companies aren't hiring fewer people because of AI. They're hiring different kinds of people. People who know how to work with AI. Now, some kinds of work are being squeezed. Translation work, certain types of writing, routine content tasks. In those areas, companies are sometimes replacing human hours with AI tools. That part is real. But here's the part that usually gets left out of the conversation. When researchers test AI on real office work, not demos, not marketing claims, but real jobs, AI turns out to be good at parts of a job, not the whole thing. It can draft. It can summarize. It can organize information, but it still struggles to replace a full professional role in most fields. AI is good at tasks. Work is more than tasks. So instead of asking, will AI take my job? There's a better question to ask. How do I become the person who knows how to use the AI at this job? That shift alone changes how this feels. And here's the good news. You don't need to become a programmer. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need to turn into an AI expert. You just need to learn how to treat AI like a coworker. A fast one. A helpful one. But one that still needs supervision. Here's a simple, independent way to start. Open any major chatbot, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. The free version is fine. Pick one task you actually do at work. Emails, reports, lesson plans, estimates, proposals, social posts. Describe your role, your tools, and that task, and then ask this. Show me 3 ways AI could help me do this faster without making me look lazy or fake. That last part matters more than people realize. Next, take something you already wrote. An email, a report, a draft. Ask the AI to improve it. Then compare the results line by line. Not to copy it, but to understand what changed and why. Then rewrite it in your own words so it still sounds like you. That's how you stay human in the loop. Finally, save what works. Create a simple document called Job Survival Prompts. Put 3 to 5 prompts in it that genuinely help you do your job better, and reuse them each week. That's not hype. That's a skill. This is where the work is really going. Not toward replacing people, but toward rewarding people who know how to combine experience, judgment, and AI tools. The future of work isn't human or AI. It's human plus AI. And the sooner you step into that role, the safer and more valuable you become. If you'd like more calm, practical guidance on using AI without getting lost in fear or hype, you can see more at our website. The link is in the description below. I'm Aiden. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us here at ViPR Publishing.